Welcome to all of you. Today we learn about compare single phase cell type and core type transformer. We will discuss only single phase transformer. So let us start with left hand side core type transformer and right hand side cell type transformer. The first difference is in the core type transformer, core is surrounded by the windings. So outer side winding and inner side core. Whereas in the cell type transformer, windings are surrounded by the core. So at the center there are winding and outer side core. This is first difference. Second one, winding are placed on separate limb. Means HV and LV winding is placed on separate limb, whereas in the cell type transformer, LV and HV both winding are placed on the same limb or central limb. This is second difference. Third one, in the core type transformer, flux have a single path. So this is for flux path. Whereas in the cell type transformer, flux have a two path. So this one is first one and this one is second. So flux divided into two path. At the center, flux value is phi maximum, and to outer limb, that is flux is phi maximum by 2. So outer limb carries phi maximum by 2 and central limb carries phi maximum. The width of the central limb in the cell type transformer is twice that of outer limb because it carries phi maximum flux, whereas outer course carries only phi maximum by 2. Now in the core type transformer, L type lamination is used. This one is L. In the cell type transformer, E and I type lamination is used. As per winding concerns, in the core type transformer, circular or rectangular coil are used, whereas in the cell type transformer, multi-layer dish type winding is used. Core type transformer is applicable for low voltage, high current application, whereas cell type transformer is applicable for high voltage, low current application. In the core type transformer, cooling is better for winding as compared to core because winding are outer part of the transformer. Whereas in the cell type transformer, cooling is better for core rather than winding because core is outer portion of that transformer, whereas winding is in central. So these are the major difference between the core type and cell type transformer. Summary of the both core type and cell type transformer is given here. In the core type, core is surrounded by the winding, whereas in the cell type, winding are surrounded by the core. In the core type transformer, two winding are placed on central limb, whereas in the cell type transformer, two windings are placed on the same limb. Core type transformer flux have a single path. Cell type flux divided into two paths. In the core type transformer, L type lamination is used, whereas in the cell type, E and I type laminations are used. Now, coil may be circular, oval, or rectangle in the core type transformer, whereas it may be multi-layer dish type in the cell type transformer. Core type transformer is applicable for low voltage, high current application, whereas cell type transformer is used for the high voltage, low current application. In the core type transformer, cooling condition is better for winding as compared to core, whereas in the cell type transformer, cooling condition is better for the core rather than winding, because core are outer portion of the transformer, whereas the winding is placed at center. Thank you very much.